Hello everyone, it's your boy Spooky B ENT here. Obviously, welcome to my first video. I'm a bit shaky, so just giving this YouTube stuff a try. But yeah, last night I went to an Empire car meet. There was cars, bikes drifting around. It was crazy. The whole atmosphere was crazy, but it was a bit too loud, so the mic didn't get to pick up everything. So you hear a bit of ticking here and there. But yeah, I'm just here to just bring pure raw content. And yeah, please just like, comment, share, subscribe. Let's get into this one. Yeah, what's that? What's this one? Is that a comp? Nah.
What is that live Facebook?
Live.
Yeah.
He's got mirrors, don't worry, he's good.
Yeah, live, yeah. Come on, bro, we're outside.
Right outside.
Out here. Alright, that's clean. What's that? Look at that.
Go on, mate. Do something, mate. Do something, mate.
Tire's cold.
Do something, mate. No, we're live.
Oh shit, that's got a diesel moving like that.
Dirt.
I tricked when you cut him. This thing has a delete on the back.
This thing's gold. All I'm saying is we're outside.
Yeah, we're outside, bro.
That's what I'm saying. Spooky
This thing has a
BDNT
delete on it.
tuning in.
I heard it earlier, bro.
What you say, Rev?
Yes.
I want to see what these man are.
He's out here.
Oh.
He's out here.
Let's go and check this out. Ain't nothing. one? What happened there, bro? You say the max? Say empty nearly wet, bro. What's going on? Go, get that up. This one's stock, innit? Fresh though. Yeah. Oh, this one's clean still. You're doing your thing, bro.
You're doing your thing. This your thing, yeah? You're out here.
And young boy switch. Love camera. What's going on? You ain't gonna do nothing. What, brother?
My thing.
Over the fucking crap. How do we have big GTI Joe in the car?
Come on, lads. I shouldn't do that. Hi, guys.
We got a big GTI Joe in the car arguing about Vomero. Look,
Scratched up my
got
thing.
this guy wearing creps, trying to fucking scared to duck you them up. Like, what about with you, bro?
Well, bro, you know what it is, man? Just get me edge of the curb tick, bro.
Okay.
Get me. You know
No,
what?
I see what's
That's
going
what
on. But obviously everyone's moving to I'll go with everyone. It's all long.
Right, go get the TP and do some donuts.
Yeah, go do some
Wait, when I get my TP free.
Yeah, man, that's it. Over and out. Thanks for tuning in, like, comment,